Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this minis. As you can see, it's written over here, minis. It's a package which contains 35 mini chocolates which is mixed, and what all it has is first Snicker, second one is Twix, third one is Mars, fourth is Bounty, fifth is Milky Ways. The same is mentioned over here also. So total of 35 mixed bars are there. Apart from that, they have mentioned all the energy factors in every chocolate. So this is it. Now I'm gonna see the net weight. Over here you can see the net weight of the product, which is 710 gram. Nice, right? Let's see opposite side, or something in Arabic English written about each and every chocolate, like Bounty and many other Mars. So let's not waste time while reading it. I'm gonna open this back mini from this side. So let's open it. So friends, are you ready? Wow, so many chocolates. Amazing, isn't it amazing? Wow, I'm gonna finish all of them. I'm so happy. These are the Snickers. Now I'm gonna place them one by one so that you could have a closer look of each of them. Then these Twix bars. Twix are less as compared to Snicker, I think. Then this Bounty. Come in a row, please. And then Milky Bar. Wow. And then last but not the least, Mars. So these are the total of 35 chocolates. Hope you like it. Now I'm gonna open each of them and let you know about the taste of these. First I'll start with Twix because I love it. See friends, Twix bar. I'll open it like this and I'll show you how it looks like from inside. This is the pattern which is there, how it looks like, and I'm gonna see this jelly kind of thing in it, extra caramel, and over here it's a crispy part. And now I'm gonna taste it. Loving it. I'm gonna eat this also. Yum. No. Yeah, Bounty. As you can see, it has coconut mentioned in this pack. So it contains coconut. I can't wait to eat all of them, man. It's so yum. So this is the structure of the Bounty. They have it print over there. Yeah, now you can see. And from inside it has lots of coconut. See this white part? That is coconut part. So let's eat it. Man, wow, it's amazing. If you want to gain weight, go and eat these kinds of pack. Third one will be Milky Ways. This is how it looks like, and this is how it gets open. It also had some kind of that white part inside, and it's very soft, as you can see. Very soft. See, the inside part is also very soft. Yeah, now you can see how soft it is. So it's a kind of milk powder, very soft thingy in it. Now I'm gonna have it. Guys, can't eat more. I think that's it. These two, check my other videos of these two chocolates. So friends, that's all for today. If you like these all, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos, and love me. Bye bye.